No, I can't stand to hear you say goodbye.
I've known for some time you were trouble, but I couldn't see within your mind, and I can feel any day you'll be leaving. Oh, but I don't understand why. So stay with me till it's over, till the last leaf of love falls from the vine. Then leave in the night while I'm sleeping, for I can't stand to hear you say goodbye. There was a time I know that you loved me, and you never had to tell me so. But I can see that love is slowly losing, and any day I know